guys, what's up? Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm telling you right now, happy Thanksgiving. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a glam Thanksgiving makeup option if you have the time to do it. This is what I would do if I had time, and hopefully I do have time tomorrow to do this because I would really love to be all out glam for Thanksgiving. Anyways, before I get started, I wanted to first off say thank you to you guys. I'm so thankful for you guys. I'm so thankful for my channel, for the opportunity that I have to still create videos even though I have my kids, my family, so many other things that that require my attention, and to still be able to keep up with all that and be able to do this, I am so thankful. Thank you guys for your sweet comments, for all your support, and for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, you guys. It means the world to me, and as the numbers go up, I just get even more excited that you guys want to watch my videos and that you guys enjoy my content and enjoy my video ideas or my makeup looks that I create. I'm just so thankful. So I wanted to say thank you to you guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. Also, you guys, if you are new, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified of all my videos. Today I really wanted to do something more glam for Thanksgiving. Very fall colors. I'm so sorry that I'm using practically the same palette that I used in Monday's video because I'm obsessed with the Vault from Jaclyn Hill, and particularly for the fall, the Armed and Gorgeous and the Ring the Alarm palette. Those scream fall to me, and if I'm being completely honest, this is what I would do, and that's the palette I would reach for to create a Thanksgiving look because the colors are just so fall. So like the yellows, the greens, the oranges, just so beautiful. So this is kind of what I created for you guys. I hope you really enjoy it and you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you like how it turned out. I am gonna be doing some tutorials with this little baby coming up next, especially for Christmas because there's so many like holiday colors in here. So make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on that. And yeah, let's just get started. I haven't done my eyebrows. I haven't done anything. I have a huge little guy hanging out in the center of my forehead. Please, please, please ignore that. All right, so we're starting off with eyebrows because I haven't even messed with my eyebrows, and this is just the ColourPop Brow Boss. I'm showing you guys this because I'm loving this pencil, and I've never talked about it before because it's fairly new to me, and I thought I would mention how much I'm loving it right now because it's stiff. I don't like when brow pencils are too creamy because then they lose their shape really easy. It gets flat really easy, and then you can't get hair-like strokes, and you can't make it look like hair, and I have a lot of bald spots, so I need something that looks like hair. And I still love my MAC Shape and Shade, but I just bought another one because I ran out. I just barely ran out of it, and I realized after I bought it that I had this for months and I never used it and I never tried it. It was like brand new. And so this is the shade dark brown, and so I took it out and I'm like, I'm gonna use it today. So what are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? Let me know down below, and I'll stop talking now. Okay, and then I have the NYX Control Freak. I'm gonna make sure to control these freaky brows. Is that too corny to say that? I'm going to prime my eyes, and we're gonna get on to the eye look, which is the whole reason you guys are probably here. Not to watch me do my eyebrows or my face makeup. This is like my fall love, you guys, and if I'm being honest and true, this is my fall love. This here palettes are amazing. So we have here the Ring the Alarm, and we have the Armed and Gorgeous. Armed and Gorgeous looks like this. Ring the Alarm looks like this. So I'm gonna jump into both of these. I'm gonna start off with Rush from the, what is this? The Ring the Alarm palette. Sorry if you're tired of this, but I want something for Thanksgiving that's very, very fallish. Very fall colors. That kind of thing. And I can be as messy as I want because I have no foundation yet. And then I'm gonna get into Secure right there. I'm gonna put that in the outer corner and start really putting that into the crease. And then I'm gonna get into Access, of course. Again, I'm pretty sure I did this last time as well. I'm putting that lightly all over the lid. Yes, with the same Y16 from Morphe, just like a blending brush just so I can get like a wash. I'm gonna go in with Smooth Criminal right here. Put it in the outer corner and into this outer crease area. Kind of packing it on in the outer V and then kind of blending it into the crease. And whatever's left, I'm gonna kind of go into the crease to make sure it's blended. And then I'm gonna go into Top Secret and lightly pack some on the outer corner. Lightly. Okay, I'm going to go in with On Camera right here. And I'm going to pack that on the lid. This is from the Ring the Alarm palette. I have not wet my brush, if you're wondering. Okay, then I'm going to go into Classified, and I'm going to, this one is from the Arm to Gorgeous, and I'm going to just blend that right where this yellow meets this darker, where I put the Smooth Criminal and whatnot. I'm just blending it right in that line, just so that it kind of blends into each other. Kind of like packing it, and then I'm doing like zigzag motions. Then I'm going to go back into Smooth Criminal, make sure that color is still in that outer V. I'm going to get into Access again and put that into the crease. There we go. I'm also going to do Guilt Trip right here with my finger in the very inner corners, or center of the lid, sorry. Just to give me a little bit more brightness right there. I'm also going to take that color and put it in the inner corners. And then I'm going to put VIP right on top. Then I'm going to get just into like a random palette like this one. And I'm just gonna put something underneath the brow bone. All right, now I'm gonna do a wing. Falsies. I'm gonna put some falsies on. I think I'm gonna do these Battington lashes. These ones are Monroe's. So here I have my lashes on, and already I look more glam. Okay, a lot more put together than that Get Ready With Me lazy girl. Just the hair makes such a difference in the look, I think. So go on to the face because we need some help here. So I'm gonna start with this primer right here. This is the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I haven't used this in forever, so I'm gonna use this. I need some help here. I need some major help here. And then I'm gonna go in with the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation that I absolutely love. And of course, my, what is this called? Love is the foundation brush, of course, because I love this brush. My Born This Way concealer in Natural Beige. Okay, I'm getting into my LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancers. This one is in the shade Sun Goddess, and I'm gonna use that on this sponge here, and I'm just gonna put some glow on my face because, man, look at that. Now I'm using the Cover FX setting powder, perfect setting powder, and I'm gonna set everything. Okay, let's finish the eyes. So I'm going in with Top Secret here, this green, and I'm going to smudge it like crazy on the lower lashes. Like crazy. And I'm also going to go into that yellow color Access and go over top. Alright, I'm going to contour using, of course, my BH contour palette here, and I'm just going into this shade. I'm going to really contour my cheeks out. And my nose. Once I've done that, I'm gonna mix in this color. Okay, for blush, I'm getting into the BH Nude blush palette, and I think I'm going to do a light wash of this color and this color. For my highlight, I am still going to use this Amrezy, Anastasia Amrezy highlight. I just love this, and this screams glam to me, and I want to use it. It's one of my favorites of all time. I'm gonna spray my face. I'm gonna spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus. And let's go on to the lips. What am I gonna use for lips? Cork. Let's go with some Cork. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So I decided on a Dose of Colors Cork. Yeah, totally glam. What do you guys think? I hope you guys liked how this whole look turned out. I'm guessing it looks a lot better than Monday's video, Monday's look, but I hope you guys really like it. Happy Thanksgiving again, you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Let me know in the comment section things that you're thankful for, things that you love in your life, or what are you doing, what are traditions that you're doing for Thanksgiving. Let me know down below. I would really love to know. Anyways, I love you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.